Welcome to this tutorial. I'll show you a little bit how we can construct perpendicular plane. Let's say that we have just an arbitrary plane in space like this one. What we want to do is to create a perpendicular plane, but not only being perpendicular to our plane, but at the same time be perpendicular to the z-axis. And these are the steps you can achieve this. First thing, I will just create a reference line which will be from my z-axis. It looks like this. And the second step, what I will do is I will project this onto my plane, and again this will be using a reference line, and I will just pick the two entities. I will take the plane where it will belong, and this will be the reference line. So what happened here is that actually our z-axis got projected to this plane, and then I press OK. So now we have this new line on our plane, and then what we need to do here is just create a plane, and from this case I would like to be constructed and being perpendicular to our line. In this way, now our plane for sure it has the two conditions, that it's perpendicular to this plane, to this line here, but also because this is the way we construct it, it's also perpendicular to our plane. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.